Nowadays, everybody wants to update their smartphones just to get an improved version of operating system and some other features. But have you ever thought of being an improved version of yourself by incorporating some life-changing features? If truly not, then start from now. It's an occasion of New Year. New Year specially comes for to begin something new in your life. So, are you all set? Then you need to take in some of these things in your life. First one, build self-confidence. I believe you all must have worked so hard and accomplished something so far in your life, and even encountered tough times and faced with all your potential. These things clearly show that you have all the power to do everything that comes your way. Then what are you waiting for? This indication is not enough to get an idea of how capable you are. The sad thing is, we easily convince to believe in others' abilities but fail to understand our own. But this is a proven truth that the moment you realize your abilities, you will start believing in yourself. This whole concept of self-confidence entirely rested on your belief in your abilities. The next one is increase your risk appetite. I suppose there will be no one who never heard that victory is beyond fear. So try some new things. But having profound knowledge and lot of information, it is always safe and wise to look before you leap. What my notion about risk is, it is such thing, those who know how to manage it, this risk turns out to be an opportunity. Those who are unable to manage, this risk remains as a risk forever. Therefore, do not confine yourself to the line or Lakshman Rekha that you have drawn for you. Once you cross that line and check yourself how far you have the ability to progress. Next one is control your mind. See the world we live in, blend of both the positivity and negativity. Hence, whatever comes in, perhaps to be positive, except you allow which one to come in. The strange thing is, by default, we have inherited the genes that tends to impact much more by negative vibes. Therefore, train your mind to control your thoughts and focus only on things that will bring some positivity in your life. The next one is eliminate fear of failure. There is nothing afraid about failure. It's just an inappropriate approach reaching towards your goal that did not help you out. That's all. Therefore, you need not to take failure so deeply. Life has many more opportunities to retry. That's why, rather being troubled by failure, try to analyze the cause for your failure and modify your strategies and re-attempt your goal with all your faith and determination. Next one is live a satisfied life. To live a satisfied life, you have to live your life in the best way possible. Like, you have to appreciate yourself even for your smallest achievements, because you deserve it. You have put in your hard efforts behind. Be happy and grateful for whatever you have got in your life so far. Don't leave room for worry. It does nothing, but certainly it will paralyze your mind. Do you know, the kind of relationship you build has a huge impact on your lives. Therefore, take out time for people who you care about, people who understand you very well, who stand by you in your every ups and downs. Believe in me, look at the life once being an improved version of yourself. You will actually realize how beautiful and easygoing life has become. If you like my channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.